The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Red Lake County in northwestern Minnesota, Central Polk County in northwestern Minnesota, southwestern Pennington County in northwestern Minnesota until 11:30 p.m. At 10:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dorothy, or 19 miles southwest of Thief River Falls, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crookston, Red Lake Falls, Plymmer, St. Hilaire, Mentor, Gentilly, and Terrebonne. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.